So starting off Interfex Live, we're here with Felix Martinez from Bristol-Myers Squibb. Felix, maybe to start, you can just talk to us a little bit about your role and what you've been up to at Bristol-Myers Squibb.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm the process architect for Bristol-Myers Squibb, overlooking all the strategy and the network sites of the global manufacturing structure. I have more than 15 years experience on manufacturing pharmaceutical and biotech in particular. I joined BMS recently, probably last year. Like I said, overlooking all the major strategies of site master planning, particularly the directives, the quality approach, the engineering approach. Part of the group, the global engineering from corporate, and we normally visit every site, listen to the complaints, understand the complexity of the plant and the products, and come up with some strategies. Particularly, I was involved in the past on a lot of the FDCs strategies. As you probably know, my company is diversifying a lot of the products, so that's probably why I get a lot of exposure and a good experience in this area.
Absolutely. You know, one of the things we were going to talk a little bit about today was combination products. Maybe you can talk to us a little bit about some of the new developments that you're seeing in that front.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, the development of the fixed dosage combinations. I will say that it's a lot of factors that it drives that, or it's driven factors that, you know, normally in the development and manufacturing, the company is looking to maximize the volume of the products. Talking about patent expiration of the major drugs that is in the market. You know, the competition in the generic drug arena, and also that is nothing new in the pipelines for the major pharmaceuticals. That kind of like push a little bit companies to think in new strategies, trying to improve the quality approach, reformulating and combining the drugs. It has to improve a little bit to be safe and effective. Had some benefits also for the patients, proven technologies that can potentially increase efficiency. It's a lot of synergy that I can see in the market, and potentially the use of lower dosage and combine, you know, with the compliance on qualities and integrated quality by design of the lower doses. That could help to come up with the interesting strategies. Also helps a lot with the, you know, protecting the existing brands and the business by switching patients to a fixed dosage. Scores, it has some challenges. It's not as simple as it sounds, right? I know it's a lot of new technologies that we're exploring, and we were looking at particular CDCs, compressed delay systems. But combining two or more potentially active ingredients can have some physical or chemical complexity, compatibility between them. That incompatibility in the active drugs and reformulation into a single pill, it's something that concerns everybody, but with proven technologies that you can maintain the uniformity and the distribution of the product can be achieved. I know it's been some successful factors that can help and create some opportunities, you know, in the intellectual property and exclusivity of the drugs. So that innovate the product and show some functionalities. Of course, it's always good to reach the physicians and come up with a strategy and ask yourself if it's centered on meet medical needs, then it can be achieved by using these multi-products combined. Of course, it's always a benefit.
Excellent. Another area of combination products that's getting a lot of attention, as always, in the pharmaceutical market is looking specifically at solid dosages. What are some of the new trends you're seeing there with combination products in the solid dosage form?
Well, like I said, I am looking more of the strategies. I've seen a lot of new technologies coming up. Recently, the CDCs is the one that caused the attention of the industry, and just because an opportunity to combine in one equipment. It's a new trend, and it has a lot of attention on the industry. Unfortunately, capacities is probably the ones that it's driven that a little bit down. It's something that I would like to see potentially this year in Interflex if any new technology comes on play that it can improve that capacity. That's something that I can see it's a trend right now in our current company and in other companies that I've worked in the past.
So Felix, we're doing this interview in anticipation of Interflex. As we kind of count down the days and look forward to the show, what are some of the things that you're looking forward to taking away from Interflex?
Well, it's also with Interflex, it's a good platform for all the industry to get new approach, hear what is the new technologies coming up in the industry, and particularly from the solid dosage arena, because it's not new development of products. It's nothing new. It's how you can improve the existing patents and products and make it more efficient. Because FDC is one of the major goals, and I will look into it in Interflex this year to see how that been improved. I know it's not a new technology. It's something that the industry has been working for years. And right now, recently, it has been the kind of adaptation just because of the generic market, right?
Absolutely. One additional question, if you can, Felix. You've mentioned a couple times that there's not a lot in the pipeline right now in terms of new products or new developments. What do you think? What are some of the biggest contributors to that from your perspective?
Well, the reason of the immunologic treatments right now in the biotech arena, it's what it costs that. Biologics or biodevelopment has been getting a lot of market, and some of the treatments that tend to cure patients. That's what has been contributed to the major drop in the industry.
Okay, excellent, Felix. Thanks so much for your time. Again, this would be part of the Interflex Live package. Thanks so much, Felix from BMS, for joining us today.